Hello guys, Sarabjit here. Welcome back in your GK class 7th, page number 24. So today we will start our new chapter, that is playing the games. Under this topic there are 3 subtopics: Women's Sports Star, Cricket Quiz and FIFA World Cup. So first is, she was born on 2nd December 1973 in Novi Sad, Yugoslavia. She is former #1 tennis player with 9 Grand Slam titles. It is Monica Seles. Second one is, she is a champion swimmer from Australia. She is first woman swimmer to win gold medals in 3 consecutive Olympics. That is Dawn Frasey. Next one is, she is an all-round cricketer. She won the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year award in 2007. Yulan Goswami. Next one is, she is former world tennis champion from US. She has won 18 Grand Slam singles and 3 Grand Slam doubles title. That is Chris Watt. Next one is, she is winner of 5 medals at 2000 Sydney Olympics. That is Marianne Jones. Next is, she is professional player from Sweden who has won 69 official LPGA tournaments. That is Annika Sonestam. Next one is, she became the first Indian woman to win a gold medal at World Championships. That is Tejaswini Sivanth. Next one is, she holds the world record in heptathlon with 6 all-time gold results. Jackie Joyner Karsai. Next one is, she is from Belarus. She has won 4 gold and 2 silver medals at the 1972 and 1976 Olympics. That is Olga Korbut. Last one is, this champion boxer is the youngest daughter of sports legend Muhammad Ali. That is Laila Ali. The next one is cricket quiz. So cricket is the oldest game in the world, you all know, and it is originated in 16th century. So it is very popular in our country. First one is, who is the highest run score in single World Cup? That is Sachin Tendulkar. Second one is, which batsman name is associated with the fastest century record in 2020? That is David Miller. Third one is, who bowled the first ball of 1975 World Cup? That is Madan Lal. Fourth one is, which cricketer has represented 2 different countries in the ICC World Cup? That is Kepler Wessels. Fifth one is, which bowler set World Cup record by taking 4 wickets in 4 consecutive balls? That is Lasith Malinga. Sixth one is, which bowler has the most wickets in the one-day international matches? That is Muthaiya Muralitharan. Next is, which batsman has made the fastest 50 in ODIs? That is ABD Villaris. Eighth, which bowler was the first to take all 10 wickets in test match innings? Jim Laker. Ninth, who has the highest individual score in ODIs? Rohit Sharma. 10th is, which Indian cricketer became first man to hit 300 runs in T20 match of just 72 balls? That is Mohit Ahlawat. The last one topic of this playing the games is FIFA World Cup. So FIFA World Cup is simply, the World Cup is an international football competition contested by the senior men's national teams of members of FIFA, the sports global governing body. So it is a World Cup in the football. So first one question of it, who holds the record, the most goals record in single FIFA World Cup? That is French player Just Fontaine. Next one is, which country won the 2018 FIFA World Cup? That is France. Who won the golden ball in 2018 FIFA World Cup? That is Luka Modric. Next one is, name the first Asian country to appear in FIFA World Cup. That is Dutch East Indies, Indonesia. Next one is, which Brazilian is the only player who has won 3 World Cup final matches? That is Pelé. Next one is, which is the oldest player to have appeared in World Cup match? That is goalkeeper Issam Ali Haddadi of Egypt. Where was the 2018 FIFA World Cup held? That is Russia. How many countries participated in the first World Cup held in 1930 in Uruguay? That is 13 countries. Name the only goalkeeper to receive the Golden Ball, Best Player of the World Cup. That is German player Oliver Kahn. Last one is, in which edition of World Cup the number of participating teams was extended to 32, that is 16th edition. Now the match the following players with the countries they play or played for. So players and their countries. First is Diego Maradona, that is from Argentina. Wayne Rooney, that is from England. Diego Forlan, that is Uruguay. Next one is Ronaldinho, that is from Brazil. Zinedine Zidane, that is France. Lothar Matthaus, that is from Germany. So if there will be any doubt regarding this chapter, you can ask in the comment section box. Thanks and have a nice day.